Hey guys, I'm today. I'm gonna do another unboxing video. This time it's for Tony Hawk Pro Skater one plus two. Yeah. For the PlayStation 5. Yeah. Says like best what what the support game or best so yeah something like that. It says right there internet and PlayStation Plus required for online multiplayer. Cisco required content download. Yeah. Original two games for remastered. Like board game. Yep. This game it's one two players two eight nine network players network of five or album pronounce that PlayStation Plus who is subscription required uh, uh, this game you need like 27 gigabytes. Not like not like not no not like not like I'm bad though. And then got version function or I pronounce that here. Anyway, here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah, I forgot this game. This game I'm where T for from lyrics. Yeah. Anyway, here we go. So believe all you hear get which is what which is the album game disc. Yeah. So I can like show you to and install it. Yeah. 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 Let me check out. Hold on. Oops. Games. Let's go. Check. Let's see. Graphic 5, and then like yeah. There we go. Alright. Let's figure one plus two. Oh shoot, hold on. Where's my um oh crap. It says again. It says again. Clear. Wait. Oh crap. Oh no. Wait. Oh shoot. Whoa. Okay. Okay. It click. It click on downloading. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So yeah. It click on downloading. Yeah. Yeah. So I believe that was the 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 that was my on unboxing video of Tony Hawk Pro Skater 1 plus 2. Make sure like subscribe so smart videos and smart content. This is this me sign off. Peace out, guys.